Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Poolmate 3530 4PM Heavy-Duty Round Winter Pool Cover. The best 30-foot round winter pool cover for your above-ground pool. If you're preparing for the winter months and want a cover that keeps your pool safe from debris and harsh weather conditions, you've come to the right place. First, let's talk about the material. This pool cover is made of heavy-duty polyethylene, which is built to withstand the cold, wind, and all the elements that winter throws at it. It's not only durable but designed with a solid, non-porous material that prevents water from seeping through, ensuring your pool stays clean and protected. The cover measures 34 feet in total, which includes a 4-foot overlap, giving you that extra material for a perfect fit around your pool. One of the standout features of this winter cover is its heat-sealed seams. This construction method adds extra durability, making sure the cover performs at its best, even in extreme weather. It comes with everything you need to secure it properly, including a winch and cable that fits through the grommets. This makes the installation process smooth and efficient, so you can spend less time worrying about setup and more time enjoying your pool. Poolmate also stands by the quality of this product with a 10-year warranty, ensuring that it will protect your pool for seasons to come. Although the cover floats loosely on the water, if you have large top rails, consider sizing up for optimal coverage. You can also add an ice equalizer pillow, sold separately, to help with the pressure from frozen water. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, heavy-duty pool cover that will stand up to the test of winter, the Poolmate 3530 4PM is your go-to option. It's designed to protect your investment and give you peace of mind. Whether you're closing your pool for the season, or just want to make sure it's well protected, this cover is a perfect choice. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next review. Stay safe, and happy swimming.